Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. This is Master Alex. Welcome. Today I would like to share with you for the Zodiac dog in 2023, which is the year of the water rabbit. And if you are born in the following period, your Zodiac is a dog, and you have so many beautiful advantages. We call it congenital advantage, which is you don't need to do anything. It just comes with you naturally when you're born. So this is we call it congenital one. And today I list 6 of them for your reference. Okay, are you ready? Okay, the first one. The first congenital advantage for Zodiac dog is the honest and loyal characteristic. So if let's say if you have a friend is a Zodiac dog, you need to treasure him because he will be so good to you. He won't betray you because the honesty and loyalty is in the bottom of their hearts. He won't betray his family, he won't betray his marriage, and he won't betray his friends. So if you have a friend is a Zodiac dog, which is a really, really good thing because you have a solid support from him. Okay, the second one. The second one is a friendly and humble characteristic. So Zodiac dog is a really good. They don't have a really bad emotional or bad temper, and then he will be just nice to his friends, be humble to his friends. So to go out with a Zodiac dog, you will feel peace of mind because he will show his real characteristic, no pressure, humble, so you guys can hang out with really, really good. So this is something amazing. Okay, the number 3. The number 3 is a charmingness. Zodiac dog is born to have some like a charming characteristic. We don't know why. Just lots of people like to talk to Zodiac dog because it's friendly and humble maybe. And there's some charmingness issue within. So this is also amazing for Zodiac dog. Okay, the number 4. The number 4 is Zodiac dog is enjoy the romantic life. And inside the gene, there are important moments, really, really romantic. Let's say to go out with his boyfriend and girlfriend, he'll create some romantic atmosphere and create a really sweet moment so you guys can enjoy it. So this is something good. Okay, the number 5. Number 5 is Zodiac dog is love to enjoy their good life. This is something amazing. They know how to appreciate their life and then how to enjoy it. So this is something good. Okay, the last thing. The last thing is for Zodiac dog, he has a peaceful mind inside his heart. So this is really good. He won't have too much ups and downs, too much emotional come up, because this peaceful mind will bring him a really, really good peace of mind. Okay, the next thing is the congenital disadvantage. At least 3 of them for your reference. The first thing is sometimes Zodiac dog have some difficulty to deal with the pressure, especially the workload is too much stress from the work. There will be a situation so the dog will just break down and then he just want to escape from the job because too much stress for him. Okay, the second disadvantage, which is sometimes Zodiac dog will be too enthusiastic. He'll think the case is too simple or too optimistic and forget about those side effects or neglect those like a possible negative effect. So this is something disadvantage. Okay, the last one is sometimes Zodiac dog is not patient enough. So if you're a Zodiac dog, maybe you need to pay attention for that one. Okay, for the next thing is your business partner. To form a solid, productive team, Zodiac dog, you need to team up with tiger and horse because tiger, horse, and dog 3 together will form a really solid and effective team. So this is for the business. For the personal, you need to find rabbit. Rabbit is a really good, is the best boyfriend and girlfriend. So this is because the soulmate is rabbit. And please stay away from dragon, goat, and ox. Those 3 zodiac is not really good for you, especially for the dragon. Okay, and in terms of the timing, every single day, 3 a.m. to 7 a.m., 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. is the good timing. Enjoy it. Make sure you use it wisely. Anything important, use those good timing to handle it. That will help. And stay away from those bad timing, which is every single day from 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. and then from 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. Those are not really good timing for you. And in 2023, there will be two auspicious stars shining you. The first one is a Zimei. That one is like the king is helping you, blessing you. So this year you have a lot of good luck energy showing around. And then the second is a Long Da. That one is a lot of good people is surrounding you. When the time you need some help, someone will just show up and give you a hand. So this is amazing. And also in 2025, the rabbit, the year of the water rabbit, is really favored to Zodiac dog. So the Tai Chi is helping the Zodiac dog. So it make you even more good luck. Okay, in terms of those in a special star, this year you have 4 of them. The first one is a Bo Bai. That one is not really good for your money luck. It's not really good for your business. And then the second is a Tinga. This star will affect you to have some health issue. The third one is a Wang Fan. That one is not really good for your business too. Okay, the last one is the Tin Sai. That one is not really good for your health. But don't worry, because this year is pretty good for you. And you have those good stars shining, blessing you. So those health issue, business issue will be just a minor effect to you. Okay, in terms of the overall forecast this year is a really lucky year. So anything important, anything you want to do, you should do it this year. And anything you want to change this year is also a good timing to change it. Or any plan which is you want to do it for a long time, this year is also a good timing to do it. Okay, the next thing is the financial forecast. This year, the financial luck is really good. Maybe other people will suffer from the inflation, the high interest rate, those are bad market situation. But for you, you will always pick some opportunity and invest and make some money. So this year is good for you. Okay, the next thing is the career forecast. This year is a good year for you to maybe make a change, change to a new environment, change to a new job, even start your own business is a good idea for you this year. And in terms of the love and family forecast, the love energy is also really positive this year. If you're still single, you need to make use of this year. And if you get married, don't try to make any affair issue because we don't want you to get into any trouble, okay? Okay, the last thing is the health forecast. Okay, the health should not be a major issue for you this year, but just you need to set up with some regular exercise, doing meditation regularly, or have some regular body checkup. That would definitely help. Okay, thanks for watching. I wish you good luck this year. Thank you. If you want to learn more about traditional Feng Shui setting and knowledge, I have a book in Amazon.com. The name is Practical Feng Shui 101. You can go there, take a look. I put a link down below. And if you want to learn more about current Feng Shui setting and yearly Feng Shui tips, I also have a book for you, free of charge. I put a link down below. You're welcome to go there, download it. And thanks for watching. Good luck.